keep it from...
I think actually it took it came
flipped
off.
itself off.
Yeah.
Look how much cleaner they're cleaning.
Can I turn it back on?
Well,
yeah, we need
pick
to
'em.
pick them up and then.
Go ahead.
Okay, ready?
David? It won't start.
Yeah, she was saying she wasn't turning. Exactly. Even if it starts, it might not be good for it.
Nice. Yeah, we don't want to.
Great. You don't want to bruise them or?
Yeah, we don't want them to. We
Oh
don't
my
want to tear
God!
the
Look at
skin.
that.
That's clean.
Hey Mo, take a picture.
Beautiful.
Look.
I'm videotaping, actually.
That is. Oh my God! I can't believe how quickly it
This
fought.
is so nice.
I love you crazy country ass people. Everyone's so excited.
Oh, isn't that beautiful?
I'm going to continue to watch actually a
Yeah, I want to watch
the system, man.
I don't know if it was you, but there's not. I found one in there that the claw was
Still in. Okay.
So finish your plucking. And there's some you want to use these to get where the pin feather ends off.
Where are you going to take them out?
In the ice.
Beautiful chickens.
Josie, do you want me to get you a
bucket right
cooler
here.
together
now
for
how
our
are we
chickens
gonna
too?
know? Maybe we should
Yeah,
get
I'm gonna get
mine
it.
out of the ice now.
Okay, and put them where, Jane?
Well, in a
I have a cooler in the back seat.